Hey everybody, Miss Butler here. You are watching this video because either you are in my AP chemistry class or in my regular chemistry class, or your son or daughter is in one of those classes. So you're watching this because we just found out we are going remote learning until at least Thanksgiving, using the hybrid schedule still. And so obviously this is adding a new layer of challenges, but I've been trying to remind the kids all year we can do hard things. We've seen that time and time again. So just keeping positive, reminding ourselves we can do these things. Even though chemistry is a hard class, we're going to find a way to learn as much as we can this year, find a way to connect with each other as much as we can. And so we will get through this until we are back in person, whether that's hybrid or full time. I know there's lots of confusion, so this is the schedule as of right now for chemistry, and really probably for most of your classes or your son or daughter's classes. As of right now, from now until Thanksgiving, we are staying with the hybrid model. Things could change, but right now we are staying through hybrid through Thanksgiving at the very least. And so here's what it looks like. If you are in cohort A, instead of being in class on Monday, you will Zoom. It's following the normal bell schedule. So if you have first period, you start on Zoom at 7:55. In my classes, it will be the way you access the class is through what's called the quarantine Zoom link. It's on the agenda every day and on the homepage. Then cohort A on Tuesday, you will be online and you will complete any asynchronous assignments that are listed on the Canvas agenda. Wednesday, we Zoom, normal bell schedule using the quarantine Zoom links. Thursday is asynchronous, doing your own learning based off the Canvas agenda. And Friday, we will use the Friday bell schedule, and there's the Friday Zoom link on the agenda, just like our normal Fridays have looked. If you're cohort B, it's just flip-flopped. You will start online doing asynchronous, and then Tuesday you will follow the normal bell schedule using the quarantine Zoom link on the agenda. Wednesday you do asynchronous assignments on the agenda. Thursday you Zoom into class, and Friday we follow our Friday bell schedule through Zoom, and you'll use the Friday Zoom link. So hopefully that makes sense. Teachers have been instructed that on the classroom quote-unquote days, which are now on Zoom, we should be Zooming. So you can expect your son or daughter to Zoom all of their classes on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday if they are A cohort, and Tuesday, Thursday, Friday if they are B cohort. If you need the bell schedule, feel free to take a screenshot. It is also on the Legend website. So these are the times that we will be Zooming on Monday through Thursday. If you are cohort A, it will be Monday and Wednesday that we Zoom. If you are cohort B, it will be Tuesday, Thursday. And then everybody Zooms from 9:15 until 3:10 using this Friday schedule on Fridays. So obviously chemistry, AP chemistry are challenging classes. I will hold Zoom office hours each week. I will post on Sunday when I am free and when I will be holding the office hours. It will be an announcement on Canvas titled Butler Availability Week of, and then the dates for the week. Monday through Friday, the Monday through Friday dates. So starting next week, I will post on Sunday when I am free, what times I am available, and if your son or daughter needs help, they will come on using the quarantine Zoom link that's on the homepage or on the agenda, anywhere. It's all the same links to access the office hours. It doesn't matter what class period they click, they are all the same links, so they should be able to access as long as it's when I list my available time on Sunday, on that Sunday announcement. If you are missing a quiz or a test, or if it's AP chemistry and you want to come do square root curves, things like that, please email me at the end of the week and we can make an individual plan to make up your missing work. And hopefully then we can schedule a time for next week, which is the week before Thanksgiving. Give me a couple of days. Right now I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing today because we just found out we're going remote, and then Wednesday and Thursday. So give me a couple days to figure out what the normal classes are doing, and then I can worry about how we're going to make up test quizzes, labs, square root curves for AP Chem, things like that. So just give me a couple days. I promise I will work with you, but I just need to get my head on straight for the normal class periods, and then we can figure out makeup work. All right, so on the agenda, we have classroom days and online days. Classroom days are now essentially Zoom days. So you will Zoom during class time, regular Monday through Thursday bell schedule for a full 50 minutes. I will have any active links for documents or worksheets or PowerPoints or anything we're using. I will post those on Sunday for the whole week. That's my goal. Okay, that means Sunday night, Monday morning, you can print out all the documents for the week ahead of time if you like to have paper copies. I will try my best to make things Google Docs that you can add to your chemistry folder in Google Drive to edit if you prefer to type or you don't have a printer. You are also always allowed to use a separate piece of paper, and then you would just number each problem, or if we're taking notes, obviously you can take notes on separate paper. But please know that we only have 50 minutes twice a week and then our Friday short Zoom calls, so we can't really waste time to have 13 to 18 kids to print something. Printers break, it takes forever. So please, if you want a printed copy of what we're doing, print those ahead of time, either Monday for the whole week or in the morning that day, print out what you need. Otherwise, it will always be an option to download what you need or to just use a separate sheet of paper and you can number your pages. But please be prepared, and if you don't have something printed, expect to either type into it or write on a separate sheet of paper. All right, I know this is going to be a challenge, and hopefully it doesn't last very long, just these 2 weeks before Thanksgiving. But please know I am here for you. I'm here for your son or daughter. I want to help. I will add the office hours. I will find ways to get any makeup work that needs to be done. So please reach out. I know this is hard and difficult, but we can get through this. And I promise, as long as your kids have grace with me and figuring all of this out, I will have grace with them. But I do ask that they stay on top of their online assignments and they come to our Zoom calls on their classroom days, so that way we don't fall too far behind and we can keep up with our work and our assignments. Please reach out if you have any questions or concerns, but again, I hope that we can work through this together and I can be as much help to your kid, or if you're a student, to you guys as possible. All right, we'll get through it. We can do tough things.